Tula Bandlen, Mfana Kakamalo. Welcome to Mozart Music, a platform where we react to our music Tula Guava. We try to break down a Malaysian, get the message behind the song. We try to give positive feedback. We encourage others. Basically, we post non-toxic Zion content. I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody is okay. And yeah, man. So as I am shooting this, I thought there's someone in my gate. As I am shooting this, we are currently sitting on 490 subscribers. That's a lot, Buffett. That is a lot of people. 490. That is a lot of people. Like, but love. So, today we are reacting to Inyoni and Amapigo Ice Tupa. Kama le ngoma yini ayayaya yabona manje. What's the name of the song? Ibe 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 Etembeni. Alright, wasting you guys time, let's dive right into it. Alright. Honestly, this is beautiful. Madam, be honest with you. Mina, when you sing a song yenye ibandla, I'm gonna judge you ngale ndlela le bandla le sings the song. I know it'll be like, I'm not a Jupiter, you can't. No. Ukhuluma iqiniso vele. I can't have the same expectation of elinye ibandla ngale ndlela le. I mean, I can't have the same expectation of the bandla of the song versus how they singing the song. That I don't do. But ngikhuluma in terms of execution. Into enginendaba nayo. Ukuningi anginandaba. Execution, that's all I care about. That's all I care about. Let's get to it. Yabona i-first part. Yabona i-first part yenyoni dog. First part in the back. It's only bird. It's the bird. My dog. Guys, Nyoni, I would really love to see you guys practice, like rehearse. Like in my head, I genuinely want to see Gucci. How do you guys do it? Like money rehearse. Like how do you? That was nice, man. No, that was nice. That was nice. Yeah. Ish. Yeah. Yeah. Bruh. Guys, we need to give up presiding V. What Denzel Washington Mkaka, his props. No, 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 no. Yabona Denzel Washington Mkaka. That man is the one. Denzel. It's the one. You see why I say I'm not asking people to sing ingoma yale bandla leli ngaleya ndlela, but I'm saying good like since you've normalized it, you can pick up with okay, shota something like shota something like shota something like shota. I was expecting it back, la. Let me tell you. La uyilu. I was expecting a back also to uyilungise bese first part yaqhubeka. But mina Umakhetebe la khona probably she's proud. Yeah! Izwe la bheka abantu. Stop! Bra! Yabona? Man. Ayikho into emnandi like being inspired by someone else and trying the best you can to reach that level or exceed that level. Take inspiration from me and exceed my level. That's what I want to see. That's why I started this. Omunye ozofika abe iZion React. I want them to do more than what I'm doing. They must exceed. Like that's me, bro. That's just the way I've always seen stuff. Whoever starts it makes it easy for that the others can walk, so that the others can run. You understand? Like, bro, why ngithi uMakadebe abantu abamaziyo believers, bro, that lady's, oh my god. Like she push a lot of things, and me hearing people abacula ingoma where it's either bekashaya first part or bekabheka kuyo, and then you listen to that voice matching that same energy. That's why you sit down and then you go like, yeah, she played her part. It's Sfuto. You're the one. hold on. Am I tripping? Now I'm hearing three people. Okay. No, so sofake Pumba jacket, and then the one on I found best man shaya Pumba jacket, and then the one next to her. So it's one, two, three, four. I think we to share first part, I think. But now as the camera goes this side, I'm hearing another voice. Not the back, I'm hearing another voice. Yeah, it's her. You can say whatever you want. I can see who's man. But now I genuinely want to see the backup, bro, because the first part she's doing her job. Oh my god. Dog, I have to respect Inyoni, bro. One thing about them, when they sing, these people are cruising nicely. They will take you high up. But so they will show you how a bird flies, bro. They are such good swingers when they sing, bro. Oh my god. It's amazing. It's amazing. Bro, goosebumps, bro. Look at my skin. Look at my skin, bro. Who is the backup, bro? I remember this backup, she was killing me. Ay, ay, ay. Who is backing there? I'm still saying Namanje. Who can outsing Uzayoni, bro? I've been in spaces, bro. I've seen and I've heard. Yes, I've seen and I've heard, bro. I've seen and I've heard people sing. Get the best of the best, bro. I understand. And I'm still asking now. Nsabuza. Who can outsing Uzayon? Who do you know? Who do you know? Bro, this. Now, but mind you, majority of people at Pasazan didn't even go to singing schools, bro. They got training in here. And this is what they can produce. And then when it's yeah, I know, so you are lying. You out of your mind. You out of your mind. I will risk my channel if you can show me people that can sing better than Zion without instruments. Without instruments, bro. Let's say I'm I'm not I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not a fan. It's nice, but I'm not a fan. Without instrument, just mouth. Nah, man. Alto. I am so sorry. I have been taken aback by Ibeka in the first part, bro. Dog, it delivered Alto. I love how they're always closing out everything that they're doing, bro. That like, listen, they close it off all the time. They always closing it off. The consistency of bass is insane. Hearing a bell back, resistance. Lord. Hey, guys. Hey, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm sorry for going off topic. Guys, life is very short. Life life is so short. Sometimes you think you still have time. Life life is so short, Buffett. And I mean I've always emphasized that man bugela my video people that actually follow my content, they'll tell you, bro. I've always mentioned it. I've always said, bro, enjoy life. Live life. Try to be as free as you can. I understand. Just hey, people are dying, bro. I understand. And as Lalele Lengoma and my heart is like, yo, bro. My heart is heavy. Like super heavy. And I'm just here and I'm like, yo, bro. The only thing that is guaranteed is you being alive right now. So my heart is heavy, y'all. I lost Mom Kulwami, bro, and she was something else, man. She was a pillar, bro. She was hands on, bro. Very, very lovey. Hayi yena bekachikana. But point is, bazalwane, ndlulisani izinto. Don't isifuba sakho singakhusi bezikakuze uzofe. Uze ungakhoni no-crossover cause sakwatini. Let things go, bafethu. Fix yourself. Go fetch your life. Life here is very short. very short. 1 minute sahleka kusasa sakhala. You understand? So ish. Yeah. Yeah, I Nyone Stupa, you guys are amazing. Like, yeah, now you guys are healing me right now, and yeah, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. Nah, fam, they killed the song. They killed it, hands down. Like they placed it on the floor. I've never had a 5 minute video ever prolonged like this, bro. This, oh my god, that was amazing to listen, bro. Oh my god, I think that song easily is going to. It was so trust me, that's one of my favorite songs. But this version, Ekula Inyon, amazing, amazing. Yo, I'm gonna keep saying it. I'm gonna keep saying it. Ot, yeah, the rich. I'm gonna keep saying it, bro. Guys, Tandanani, life is short, very short. Nothing is ever promised, yo. So I see Palona now. Oh, it's a crack on the phone. Oh my god. So yo, in the favorite way of the Jupiter, I'm signing out. Adios. Subscribe and love. Hey Google.